Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna show you how to change the image unit for Bizhub C25. Yeah, so it needs an image unit black one. So what you do, just open here, then you slide this guy off, then you take the cartridge out, then you have to take out the waste tunnel button. Once you take it out, then you just hold here and click down, press down, then you take it out, right? So but it's expensive to buy, so what you can do, you can ask if you can get a chip. The chip is down here. You can just replace that chip, then the image unit is gonna work again. Understand? So that's it. So if you want to change other colors, you can literally do the same. This one is fine. Also other colors, you slide this guy off, then you take out, then you take in like that. So that's the way you do. So we're going to bring back this guy. Okay, and also we bring back the cartridge. Then we slide it to lock it, then we close. The reason why we're doing this, it's showing this error. You're gonna see the error it shows. See the error it's gonna give you. One unit end. K means black, so it means this image unit is just finished. So we need to buy a new one, or you change the chip, then you're gonna be fine. So thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video.